Hi guys, I hope you are well. Today is day 51 of the series Word of the Day. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So, let us look at today's word. The word of the day is parched. The meaning of the word parched is make or become dry through intense heat. I repeat, the meaning of the word parched is to make or become dry through intense heat. Now, let us look at a sentence and try to understand this word parched better. The sentence that is given to us says, it was the height of summer and the land was parched and brown. So it was the peak of the summer season and the land was parched, that is, the land was dry and brown. Now let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of this given word parched. The synonyms can be shriveled, dry, or scorched. The antonyms on the other hand can be wet or soaking. Now guys, we'll use the language Hindi to understand this word parched better. अब हम लोग हिंदी का इस्तेमाल करेंगे और जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड parched को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was, it was the height of summer and the land was parched and brown. So, भीषण गर्मी के कारण जो धरती थी या भूमि थी वो सूखी और भूरी पड़ गई थी. यहाँ पर parched का मतलब है सूखी होना. So guys, we have used both the languages, Hindi as well as English, to understand this word parched better. I hope you liked the session. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.